In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly integrate a currency conversion feature into your Wix site. This is a fantastic way to enhance your international customers' shopping experience by displaying prices in their local currency. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Wix site's dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Wix App Market. This marketplace is filled with various tools and apps that can add functionality to your site. And today, we're particularly interested in apps like the Currency Converter or the Auto Currency Switcher. These apps are specifically designed to automatically convert currencies based on your visitors' locations, making it easier for your international customers to understand pricing without having to do any math themselves. Once you've found and installed your chosen app, it's time to configure it to detect your visitors' locations automatically. Most of these apps come with a setup wizard, guiding you through the configuration process step by step. The key feature to pay attention to here is the automatic or auto-detect mode. This mode cleverly utilizes your visitors' IP addresses to figure out where they are browsing from and converts the prices displayed on your site accordingly. This automation is instrumental in providing a seamless user experience for your visitors, ensuring they see the most relevant pricing without any manual input from your end. After configuring the automatic detection, don't forget to customize the appearance of the Currency Switcher widget. This part is important for maintaining your store's branding consistency. Within the app settings, you'll find options to tweak the design, colors, and placement of the widget. You want it to look like a natural part of your site, rather than an out-of-place add-on. Consider aligning the widget with your store's color scheme and fonts, providing a cohesive look and feel across your site. Next, it's critical to ensure that your store's base currency settings are correctly aligned in your Wix dashboard. Navigate to Settings and then Language and Region. Here, you'll be able to verify and, if necessary, set the primary currency your store operates in. This base currency is crucial because it's used as the standard for all subsequent conversions carried out by the currency app. Double-checking this setting helps ensure all currency conversions are accurate, reflective of your pricing strategies, and tailored to different regions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully added a powerful currency conversion feature to your Wix site, enhancing the shopping experience for your international customers. Remember, this small addition can significantly increase buyer satisfaction and potentially boost your global sales. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online store.